At MWC 2023, Xiaomi announced a bunch of new phones for the global markets, and here's our first look at the Xiaomi 13 Lite. The Xiaomi 13 Lite comes in three colors: black, light blue, and light pink. It comes with either 128GB or 256GB of storage, but with just 8GB of RAM for both variants. The smartphone starts at €499 or roughly Rs 43,800. The Xiaomi 13 Lite is quite slim at 7.23mm in thickness and weighs 171 grams. The phone has a glossy back panel with a prominent camera module on the top. It has chrome-finished polycarbonate side rails with the power key and volume buttons on the right. The Xiaomi 13 Lite is equipped with a 3-camera setup on the back, which includes a 50-megapixel primary camera with a Sony IMX766 sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro. In the front, it uses a 32-megapixel ultra-wide camera and an 8-megapixel depth sensor for portrait selfies. The 13 Lite also features two physical flashes that are embedded in the bezels around the display. The Xiaomi 13 Lite has a Full HD Plus 6.55-inch 120Hz AMOLED display, which is HDR Plus and Dolby Vision certified. The display has a rated peak brightness of 1000 nits. The 13 Lite has a 4500 mAh battery with support for 67-watt wired charging. The Xiaomi 13 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 SoC and runs on MIUI 14, which is based on Android 12. That's it for our first look at the Xiaomi 13 Lite. Do let us know what you think about it in the comments. Stay tuned for more coverage from MWC 2023 on our social handles and gadgets360.com.